When lawmakers return to the Capitol, a state representative from Tulsa wants police officers to be charged with a crime if they don't turn on their body cameras.
News on 6's Jonathan Cooper is live with details on this proposed bill. Jonathan?
Craig and Lori, House Bill 3515 would require law enforcement to keep their body cameras on when interacting with the public. With a week to go before the start of a new legislative session, a proposed House bill is already getting attention from law enforcement and community activists across the state.
If you mean to do wrong, that is what this bill addresses.
House Bill 3515 would require law enforcement who have body cameras to keep them on at all times when interacting with the public. State Representative Regina Goodwin, a Democrat from Tulsa, authored the bill.
They have constituents in the community that have had incidents with our officers. For all the great officers that are doing their jobs, wonderful. We're talking about the officers that choose to hide, obscure, and not do right.
The bill would also make it illegal for any officer to redact, erase, copy, share, or alter any recording, and officers could be guilty of a misdemeanor if they operate the body-worn equipment in a manner that prevents the creation of evidence. Critics, though, say the bill is not realistic.
This bill, I think, has good intentions by the representative, but is full of unintended consequences.
Jared Lindsay is chairman of the Tulsa Fraternal Order of Police.
There's no need to record your coffee break at the Quick Trip. And by doing that, you're increasing the amount of video that has to be stored, and that increases the cost.
Lindsay thinks the bill would hurt small departments who can't afford the storage and lead to some departments getting rid of body cameras altogether, something Lindsay says officers do not want.
Officers want these cameras, and they want that footage recorded because we know that bad guys lie. We want them as much as the activists want them.
There are ways to store the data, and so that should not be a false argument that folks are presenting.
And the new legislative session begins a week from today. That's February 3rd. Reporting live in Tulsa, Jonathan Cooper, Oklahoma's own News on 6.